I'm working on the 67 C10. We're working on the windshield and cowl area. We're putting flush mount windshield in this truck. So what we had to do is go around, and in the original case there was a big rubber seal that held the windshield in. So there's a couple of steps in the channel and all that. Well, now we're getting rid of all that. So I had to make a channel to fill everything in to make the windshield fit nice and flush and everything will be smooth. And then to add on to that, we're going to extend the cowl up to cover the bottom edge of the windshield. That way it looks nice and clean and modern like most cars do nowadays. We're going to go ahead and shave the vent holes out of it because we're putting vintage air in it. We don't need any of that anymore. So we're taking a flat piece of sheet metal. We're going to use the English wheel to get some shape in it. We got to put a tail on the end to scoop up like the original. And then we also got to get some flow because it's not a flat piece. It falls from the center left and right. So the English wheel will give me that little bit I need to get everything to go where I want it. So I got the original cowl and everything on the car. I cut out the part that I'm getting rid of. I have my new piece. I left it a little long. I self-tap screwed it on. That way we can test fit everything, make sure it's right where we want it. Then we're gonna go ahead and pull that all off the truck, put it on the bench and start welding it up. So I got everything fitting real nice on the truck. I'm going to go ahead and start tack welding around the edges. And as I do that, I'm leaving the sheet metal screws in just to hold everything in place. That way nothing moves on me. And then as I go, I will pull the screws out. That way it'll all be nice and clean and seamless when we're done. And once I'm done, I'm going to take a hammer and dolly and kind of work it a little bit. It's going to warp no matter how you do it. So we'll hammer and dolly, try to get everything nice and flat, and then we'll fit it on the truck again. So now I got the cowl fitting the windshield, it fits the truck, everything's looking good, but now we need holes for the wipers. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the original holes out of the first cowl. We're going to get it all figured out where they land. We're going to cut out our new sheet metal and put those in its place and do the same process. We're going to tack weld, get everything fitting nice and neat. It'll be a lot of on and off the truck, make sure everything's where it needs to be. And when we're said and done, we'll have wiper holes. got the wiper holes all done. Everything's looking good. I got all my welds ground down. Got it all fit into the truck again. Everything flows real nice. It's going to look really nice with having the flush mount windshield. And the cowl is just going to flow right up and hide the bottom edge of the windshield. It's going to look just like a modern truck when it's all said and done.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.